South Street Seaport.
Okay, we're standing on the South Street Seaport, as I've been told by Mr. Joe Brown here. And we're looking at the waterfall installation. It is July 13th, 2008. And this is the East River. Okay, it's a beautiful day. And we're looking over to Brooklyn Heights. Is that right?
Yeah, well that part is Brooklyn Heights.
Okay. And over there, that little blob there is the third waterfall. And the fourth one is on Governor's Island, which is over there. And there is that blob. And here we are. Okay, now we quickly swing back to Mr. Joe Brown. Say something, Mr. Joe Brown.
Now, here we are in sunny New York. The weather's perfect, balmy breezes, and we're feeling the salt air on our faces.
Okay, there you have it.